moving on, next we have this feature that's the export the customer usage from ConnectALL. So this is again, this is something that from product side, we will need the help of the support team. This is basically to know, the usage of our on-prem customer. Today, we are actually blind. We know how our SaaS customers are using, but we don't know how our on-prem customers are actually using our application. To just start with this, we have introduced this download usage in our metrics page, where you will be able to download the automations, the adapters, or the automations are actually synced between, as well as the created record and the updated record. So we have just kept this usage button on the metrics page. So any user who has access to this metrics page can just go ahead and click this download usage. And then we'll get to know like how they're using it. Though telemetry is something that we are actually building in our upcoming PI using eyes as our who can gather the telemetry for us. But in this, we just wanted to know like how our on-prem customers basically are using our applications, how many synchronizations are happening, how many records are getting created, what the adapters are. Those are all something that we are actually try to get those details using this download button in the metrics page. So basically, we have introduced a download usage button here on the metrics. And this is how our exported file will look like. I'll quickly show that. And we are not gathering any customer information. If at all somebody on the customer side gets worried, like, oh, you're gathering our information. No, we are only gathering the monitoring information. Basically, we only want to know there's no data that is being retrieved. We are only seeing how many records getting updated on one side, or how many records are getting created on the other, on the source or destination side. Yeah, I will show how it is. So the help that we would definitely need from the supporters, like whenever you're talking to our on-prem customer, you can have them click this download usage. It will generate a CSV file. The CSV file support team can actually give your email ID. They can send this to you, and from that we'll actually get to know like what is the type of transaction that is happening. And this works across for all the automations that is there, all the active automations that we are getting in. So let me quickly show how it looks on the application. Okay. So let me go into the metrics page. So you have this download usage in here. This is no way related to the filters up here. We have just given it so that we wanted to gather this information. So this download usage doesn't work based on any filter here. It's a standalone button that's going to bring me this file. So let me just save it. And if at all you can, let me open it. Yeah. So this is how it will look like. So the automations, for example, let me pick up this automation. So this automation is actually between ServiceNow and Rally. I'll get to know like what is the application that it is actually syncing between. And I will also get to know like how many records have been synced or created in December, or way back, or based on the date, how many records are created, how many records are being updated. I'll be able to see through this. So there's no, I mean, it's open. We have not put any filter. It just brings all the data across that instance. So this is what we have on the customer usage.